हाय एवरीवन, once again वेलकम टू आरके डिजिटल स्कूल। इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने वाले सिंगल इनहेरिटेंस इनहेरिटेंस दैट अलाउ ए क्लास टू इनहेरिट attribute and method from another class, that means from parents class। सिंगल इनहेरिटेंस का मीनिंग ये है कि वन पेरेंट हैज वन चाइल्ड। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कोडिंग। ओके, class, so I'm declaring one class as a car. Okay, now I'm defining as a constructor, right? In it as a first is the self keyword, second is the window, third is the doors, and then engine type. These three property I'm defining in the parent class. So self dot window is equal to window, and self dot doors is equal to doors, and self dot engine type is equal to engine type. Now I'm defining one method, def car drive. Okay, I'm passing as a current object self. Okay, and printing print f. Okay, person will drive the, I'm just mentioning engine type, self dot engine type. Okay, engine type car. Okay, let's just create the object of parent class and check car1 is equal to car. Okay, and then pass the first is the window, 4 window, and then 4 doors. Okay, and engine type is the petrol. I'm passing here petrol. Okay, let's print this object car1 dot car drive, right? I have printed this one. Okay, let's run this program and see the output. The person will drive the petrol car. Okay, now I will remove this one, and then I will start writing the child class Tata car. Okay, and then I'm creating the constructor for that one in it. Okay, so first keyword is the self keyword, right? Second is the window, right? Engine type, and the fourth one is the, I'm just creating one extra, self driving. Okay, so now I want to be inherited the property window, door, and engine type from the parent class. I don't want to declare like that in the child class, because I just want to inherit the same property in the child class. Okay, so I will use for that one super method dot init. Okay, and then what I will do that, whatever I want to inherit it, window, comma, doors, comma, engine type. These are, I want to inherit the properties of parent class to the child class. Now one more property has left, so I will declare myself self dot self driving. Self driving is equal to self driving. Def, okay, self driving, and I will pass the current class object, that means child class object here. Now I will print this f Tata car supports, or I will just pass that self dot self driving. Okay, so I will just now I will create the object of child class and execute this code. Okay, so Tata car 1 is equal to Tata car. Okay, and I will pass the window as a 4. Okay, door as a 4, and then I will pass the third parameter is the string, and it is in the engine type, electric car. Okay, and then the self driving as a I will pass as a true. Okay, now Tata 1 dot, sorry guys, Tata car 1 dot self driving, and then Tata car 1 dot drive is the parent class method. Okay, let's run this program, see the output. Okay, so Tata car supports self driving, true. Okay, so self driving is the child class method, and I'm in the child class method I'm passing this one is the dynamic. Okay, and child class में मैंने विंडोज डोर एंड इंजन टाइप जो है हम पेरेंट क्लास का इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, and then second is the person will drive the electric car. So this is the method defined in the parent class. So parent class का मेथड जो है ना चाइल्ड क्लास में इंप्लीमेंट कर, मतलब चाइल्ड क्लास में यूज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो सिंगलटन इनहेरिटेंस में क्या होता है, वन पेरेंट हैज वन चाइल्ड क्लास. ओके, सो दोस्तों अगर आप नए हो मेरे चैनल पे तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, सो दैट आपको जो है ना जब भी मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलते जाएगा. ठीक है, okay, that's it from this lecture. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in the next lecture.